Everyone wants light, space, and convenience, but almost no homes in Union City offer all three, but this one does.
Built in 2000, fresh again.
From the moment you walk in, from the high ceilings to the natural light, change the entire feel of the space.
High ceilings open, light pours through the door. Feels like peace you've been searching for. 2000年节奏跳高，天花映着晨光。Main floor dreams with laminate glow. Dining, laughter, love will grow. A guest room ready with full bathroom downstairs. Hearts collide. Multi-gen stories side by side. Union City home where the heart feels free. Granite counters bright and warm. Family moments through every storm. From park to bar, just a minute away. Upstairs calm with the bay window light. Dual closets waiting soft and bright. Hill views whisper from a peaceful sky. Jack and Jill after passing by. Low maintenance yard where weekends play. Two-car dreams and sunny days. Union City home, your story begins. नहीं चमके साथ एक जगह जो सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए इंतजार कर रही है. Union City the job.
Do you like what you see? Please contact your agent or contact us. Thinking about buying and selling? Just say when.